Think you know dog dental care? 99% of pet owners fail this quiz. Which requires less physical effort? What reaches below the gum line better? Which acts systemically via saliva? What causes more canine anxiety? Which removes hardened tartar instantly? What uses Ascophyllum nodosum usually? Which requires daily manual dexterity? What alters the plaque biofilm chemically? Which is best for severe gingivitis? What provides immediate mechanical abrasion? Which takes longer to show results? What is applied directly to food? Which risks causing enamel wear? What relies on the dog's digestion? Which needs frequent replacement for hygiene? What is easiest for aggressive dogs? Which is the VOHC gold standard? What softens existing calculus over time? Which risks bristle ingestion by chewers? What targets bacteria throughout the mouth? Which requires specific canine-safe paste? What is typically more expensive long-term? Which demands less owner time daily? What sweeps away food debris directly? Which is ideal for toothless dogs? What requires a cooperative pet? Which contains bacillus coagulans sometimes? What prevents plaque from sticking? Which cleans the tongue best? What is invisible after application?